Hello students, let's start with CSMSCA. So what do you CSMSCD I already discussed. It was career sensing multiple access with collision detection. Here full form of CSMSCA is career sensing multiple access with collision avoidance. Means here simply we are taking some precautionary actions to avoid the collision, right? So it is avoidance. So it is mostly used in wireless networks. Basically, whenever we are dealing with the CSMSCA, three main strategies are there for avoiding the collision in our CSMA concept, right? Or carriers, when multiple nodes want to transmit something on one LAN, or multiple nodes are connected with one LAN at that time, this kind of CSMSCA is more and more useful. So three strategies are there for avoidance of the collision, right? So first one is the interframe space, second one is connection window, and third one is acknowledgements. So what is this career sense, what is this multiple access? For that you have to please go through my previous video related with CSMS CD. So in that video I already discussed what is career sensing, what is multiple access in terms of network, right? So here simple, I'm doing one modification, that is collision avoidance. In that collision detection, what we are doing simply, if we get the jamming signal or collision signal, then we can say that okay, collision is detected in our channel, right? So here we are not getting any jamming signal or collision signal, but as a precautionary steps we are avoiding it, and for that we are using three strategies. First one is interframe space, second one is connection with window, and third one is acknowledgement. So what is interframe? If station find the channel idle, does not send immediately. Means like that CSMS CD, here also station will sense the channel. If the channel is idle, then don't send immediately. Wait for the period of time that we can call as interframe space. Means if we find the channel idle, then what will happen? Some other station also at the same time sends the courier. If it is idle, then both the station immediately start the transmission. Then obviously collision will occur in our lane, right? So that's why here what they'll suggest as a part of collision avoidance, if the station is idle, okay, good. But wait for some time, don't send immediately. Wait for some time. That time we can call as interframe space. After IFS time, interframe space means IFS, right? So after ISF station is idle, then start the transmission. So some according to that length, some IFS time is already decided. So you have to wait for that IFS time, then and then you have to start the transmission. Now second one is contention window. Means contention window means what? Let's say at this time, I'm sensing the courier. It is busy, 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 right? So till here, my station is busy. Every time I'm sensing the courier, but it is busy. Now found idle means okay. Luckily, I find the station is idle. Now I'll wait for IFS time, right? I already discussed what is IFS time. So I discussed. I wait for IFS. After that, contention window means what? The size of the packet, I have to divide it in small parts, or I can say it, I have to divide in binary exponential form, right? So one by one sum of the part I have to send, or I have to keep one window. So in that small part of the my data I am keeping, so that I can call as contention window. Now third technique is acknowledgement. Acknowledgement means what? Positive acknowledgement plus timeout timer. Means every time for collision avoidance, what we are supposed to do, we have to acknowledge. Means if we get the positive acknowledgement, okay. In CSMS CD, acknowledgement concept was not there, but here acknowledgement concept is there. So you have, this is the good thing, right? For collision avoidance also, if I'll get the acknowledgement, if it is negative also, then also I can get to know that okay, some kind of collision occur in my signal. And plus timeout timer means after, we have to keep some timer after sending the data, we have to start the timer. And within the specific time, if I'll get the acknowledgement, then okay, my data is successfully reached to receiver. And within that specific time or timeout time, if I'll not get any acknowledgement, then I have to again resend or retransmit the data. So this three collision avoidance technique is there. Now, uh, in previous class, I discussed what we are exactly discussing over here. I already discussed it, that multiple access protocol we are discussing over here, random access protocol, in that Aloha, CSMS, CSMSCD, and CSMSCA. I already discussed, I completed this part. Now, control access protocol, in that reservation is remaining, polling and token passing. I already prepared the video on it. Please go through that video. Now, reservation is remaining, that I'll discuss. And this channelization, in next video, I'll discuss about channelization. Now, what is reservation? As the name suggests, in real life also we are facing many kind of reservation, right? So make reservation before sending the data. Reservation means what? Whenever I am sending the data, intermediate nodes will reserve some space for that particular data, right? So time divide into internals, right? So after some time, means for one station I am reserving some time. Station 1, let's say station A wants to transmit something, right? So I'll reserve some time slot for station A. After that, station B, for station B, station C, station C, and so on, right? So in each station, one time interval. In OS, if you go through that round robin algorithm, same thing I am following over here. Means my I'm dividing my time in specific time slots, right? Small parts, and for each station, one part is, or one time slot is given. So within that time slot, if station is sending the data, then it's good, right? If once that station turn went, then station has to wait for next station, right? Next time slot, right? So this is, we can call as reservation. Means for each station we are reserving some time interval. Polling and token passing I already discussed. Please go through that video. I hope CSMSCA is clear to you, and reservation also clear to you, right? So simple concept as a reservation and CSMSCA. In CSMSCA, three techniques are there. I already discussed, right? So I hope no query in this video. Thank you.